Now we meet a newborn of the species, entering the world without the fine regalia of its elders. Its movements erratic, untrained, the baby swings wildly here and there, crashing about. As a full-grown adult, the monkey gains fluency of its form. A social animal, it learns from its family. Its movements achieving finesse, even beauty. The fully mature monkey masters the rituals of its kind, the displays of dominance, bonding, and cave wave. And together, these moments become a poetry of motion, breathtaking to behold, known simply as Gorilla Tag. For to play